Robin Cooper here. Today's song is called Let Down Your Hair. Went back to fairy tales again, so Rapunzel is what we're talking about today. Want to invite you to the channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. That's under YouTube. Please subscribe. And if you like my stuff, please share with a friend. As always, I want to thank you. Thank you for your time and your views and your support and enthusiasm. And a special thanks to all of you who are sharing. And here we go with Let Down Your Hair.
What you doing up there? Wow, you've got a lot of hair. You've got a lot of hair. I am in this tower high, alone by myself until you have it back. Can you help me get free? I long to be out of this castle, running and dancing, climbing a tree. Girl, I will help you, your night out shall be. I will be the one who sets you free. I will be the one who sets you free. Oh, goody. What you doing up there? Hey girl, what you doing up there? Boy, you've got long hair. So can you help me or not? I'm sort of stuck in this spot. Why are you up there anyway? There's no time for that here. I think I found a way. What's your name? Rapunzel. Okay, let down your hair. I'll climb it like a stair. Rescue you from there. That sounds like a good idea.